Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
I'll add about 20 seconds to it. Okay, Nick, here we are doing your video. This is your basketball picture. This is being run at a medium resolution on a high gloss adhesive paper. And we're going to print this and we're going to cut this. This is the roll printer, not the flatbed printer. Back over here is one of our flatbed printers. And over here is the mid-range printer that you and I have been talking about, that we could do flat sheets on there. But this is how we decided to do this today. So you can see we're more than a third past printing this job. This is the model UCJV 300-160. Has the bulk ink system on it, which drastically lowers the cost of your ink. Oh, by the way, this file is a very nice quality file that you sent us. So you can see that I'm running this at a 600 by 600 resolution, which I can go 1200 by 1200. So this is my mid-range quality. And I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it's outstanding. So once this machine is through printing this, it's going to automatically perform 2 steps of a cut function. It is going to kiss cut from the backer paper to the adhesive layer halfway through. That's called kiss cut. And then it is going to do a full cut where it is going to cut this completely out. It'll leave about 1/8 of an inch of a white border, so you can have a place to hold on with your fingers, and then you can fill it. Now, you don't have to use adhesive material. You could use just plain high gloss paper and no adhesive qualities to it whatsoever. Probably costs considerably less. But if you wanted to complete this and do a peel and stick to something, you can. Over here is the samples that we ran. I actually did you a small swatch test. This also is kiss cut inside the white border. And here's this one, here's this one, and here's the one we ran. Now, we're doing it different because you asked for a video. And so you can see we're about through cutting. I'm sorry, we're about through printing. We're a little over 3 minutes and 19 seconds thus far. You notice the register marks right here, the little tick mark on the corners. We added those. That would be part of your training. And the register marks, what they do is, you'll see here in a minute, the machine is going to detach from its print carriage, which is what's going back and forth. As soon as it finishes printing, and you can see it's just about done, it will detach from the print carriage, and there it's doing it now. Well, no, got just a little more to go, getting those register marks in the back. Okay, now you're going to hear a large click, and it's going to unhook, and here we go. It's processing the cut information. So we're about 4 minutes and 28 seconds. And this is all done automatically. You don't have to stand here and watch this. You could be sitting at your computer getting ready, prepared for the next file. Okay, there goes the carriage down. Over on the left-hand side of the machine, it's going to pick up its cut carriage. All right, now it's got its cut carriage. Okay. Process a little bit of information. It's going to roll the paper backwards, and then it's going to read the register marks. All right. So remember, we're doing two cut functions. What we're doing is a total cut and a kiss cut. So now it read that register mark, it's going to read that register mark. It's going to roll down to the back corner and look for the back register mark. Then it's going to come over and get the other back register mark. It now is precisely aligned. And it's doing some calculating. I mean, this thing is accurate depending on how you set it up to thousandths of an inch.
Red hot, put it on there, print on it, you see the little, still see the print areas. That's how you put it right. It was nice. It wasn't too much. Yeah, it wasn't too much. Sir.
It's doing the kiss cut at this time.
Irish show was the other thing. Yeah, right. Right, I'm gonna be the first one to get this insurance done. And be proud of me, boy. Get the beach got ready. Get me? That little girl.
Now it's going to cut this completely out of the material. It's going to leave what we call a tick perforation, so that this does not fall out of the material, it stays intact. And Josh, I may, when this gets done, I'll probably get you to pop that out while I'm holding the video.
It's done.
It's done? Okay. Josh is going to advance it slightly. Now peel up one corner slightly, don't pull it all the way off, just for the video. And there's your kiss cut, Nick. Alright, so I hope this shows you what you... Hold it up there, Josh. Let me back away a little bit. There we are. Okay, thanks, Nick.